Now, as the airshow commentators used to say in the 80s, ladies and gentlemen, tornado, and whoosh, there'd be a tornado would shoot in from the left or right of crowd. This is the Airfix's current tooling of the Panavia Tornado F3 version, now no longer in service. This is a special livery on this one, I can't remember why, but this is still available I think on the introductory kit, so you get the paint as well. I've added the aftermarket seats here because I thought the Airfix seats were a bit basic. I didn't model any of the tacks, I tried to make it quite cleanly fitted out. To get the lines of this area, which is usually different colour to the wing, I drew on folded, as it was folded, so that when the wings are folded back, which they're not on this guy, I fixed them in place. You can't have them moving, but these are fixed in place. But before you glue them, if you mark out where the lines are, it corresponds to that shape, which results a little bit of fake lights on the end with a bit of paint, green and red. Masked off the little metal parts, some gunmetal for the engines, same engines that they used for the prototype Typhoon, if I'm correct. What else? Yeah, biggest problem with this kit, I can put that down there and just check my framing, yeah, is that I put the wheels on and I mistook this section for needing to touch the inside part, so I've built it with knock-knees and sticking together wheels, so it doesn't look very good. The wheels are too far inwards, so they should be more out that way really, but I'm probably going to put a little bit of a card to hold them apart later on when I feel like in the mood for doing that. Very basic kit. Yeah, quite pleased with it. It's you don't see many RAF F3 kits around, so but that's what you can do with the Airfix. Alright, can't think of anything else to say about it.